Too much history have you make it so hard to leave ya. Big old man thing, me not just want you, me need ya. I must say true.
I'm about to clean, but I said I was about to clean, and then I was on my computer for like 30 minutes, but I'm about to clean. And I even got the sponge here to prove. I guess not. Come on, I got the sponge here to prove it. But anyways, yeah. You know when you have to do something and you take forever to do it because you don't want to do it? That's me. I do want to do it though. I want to clean. I just take it forever. Oh my god, are these scratches on my glasses or makeup? It was makeup. It was makeup. I just saw white scratches, so I'm like, yo, there's some deep indents in my glasses, but it was like, I don't know how. It was makeup. It was makeup. It was weird. Anyways, gotta dip out of here, man. I gotta go start cleaning. Doesn't this just look beautiful? I can just... Oh my god, a butterfly flew by. Scenic. So I'm dressed, and this dress was looking shapeless on me, so I used this. It's still looking shapeless on me. So I use this thing, my scarf. I'm using my scarf for a belt. I use my scarf for this. I use my scarf for my bag, and I use my scarf for my head. I use it for everything. I did up my edges again, because I wasn't gonna re-catch up my hair. So yeah. And then put it on my feet. This is my outfit.
It's not a college internship. We can't be like, thanks, bye, I learned so much.
I was cleaning. The place looks so much cleaner. I'm so happy. Outside is just looking so beautiful. Yeah. I cleaned the kitchen. The bathroom, I'm like cleaning it. It's like not done, but I did something.
Small role in it.
Watch that already. I'll finish it later. Oh, oops. Is this off? Yeah. All right, I'm about to dip. About to go. Sorry. Oh, we need to go in these stores and just ask. Huh?
Don't have time.
Yeah. Let's go ask if they're hiring. Huh? Not today. In your bag? Okay. We're coming though. Come in the camera because the lighting looks good. Look. Hi. Malik, let me take a picture under the sun. I'll be back, vlog.
Wait till I hear about the day that we had.
Yeah.
Hey?
I got robbed.
What?
Yeah.
A joke. By who?
Some stranger.
What him take? Your phone? How you get it back?
Yo. Run down the taxi. Cause he was hitched up behind me and I felt my bag moving. And it seems like he had put his hand in my bag and grabbed my phone and then started walking off. Let me turn off the camera. Camera, you'll hear the rest of this later. Well, you probably heard it by now. Wait, no, you'll hear it later. You'll hear it later.
Yes. Good. Okay. Music. Okay. Yes.
What they want me to do? We just a touch and let go. Move the clutch and let go. Then I make you come in and make the same way. Keep the secret from her and she off the same day. When it's time to leave, she wants to stay. And we had a fight for replay. But a touch and let go, me heart sing. So we touch and let go. Move the clutch and let go. Then I make you come in and make the mommy have a wife. What you want me to do? Touch me.
Y'all watch me style and I chat out of time, they my waist. Nothing they not about me. If a girl a bar man, me no care. If you take a girl man, me nah no fair. Me will take him anytime, anywhere. When me sit down on the loo like a chair, boy. When me a sit down and a balance on it, boy. Your man a tell me say him want like Spanish, boy. When me a put it down, we man chat Spanish. He must come to me ears and say me want a bit girl. Be your time up.
Out of 10, out of 10, out of 10. Put me the book and make me take out. You better just 10 out of 10, out of 10, out of 10. Bubble up yourself, me and me, I want to them. Yeah. Hello. I got to tell you, them kind of feelings I felt you. No, say you're independent.
We are at Emancipation Park.
Yes, hi. Did you have your friends? Hi. You're always one good friend. Oh, okay.
Oh, you know I'm on workout clothes.
Because I'm right in my bag to change.
They're going, we going workout. Them going.
Yeah, because we buck up in Sashana when she was leaving.
Oh,
She never tell me anything.
She never
But
tell
that-
me.
bring workout clothes too. She didn't tell me. Guys, look everybody on my YouTube. If you're watching till this far, give it a like for all these beautiful ladies. Look at them. I look like the camera crew. I need to not look like the camera crew.
But I know. You're trifling. But the thing is,
to just get
the thing is, I didn't use from Portland. I used right here from Portland. No, you're right. You didn't hear that. Sorry.
That's your from Christmas. The little girl who heard you say Bumble Cloud. She was like, who said that? She heard the Bumble Cloud. The little girl was like,
Let them sit first so we can go change. We'll be changing.
Because you feel bad.
Alright. So that's that. Walking back now because that's all I wanted to show you guys. Hold on. Everybody's so cute. Look, people come to work out. But we not work out. I know my chip she eat. Oh yeah, no, she has her own. Alright, back. Back. Hi. Hi, babe. Gotta take off my shoes. Ugh. We're in front of this nice. Ugh.
Living the life of my dream, living it up with my team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't touch it. Living the life.